To feed an ever-growing population, agriculture is constantly increasing its output at the risk of depleting the ecosystems and damaging the environment. Kapsera was founded to tackle the challenge facing agriculture while at the same time protecting water, biodiversity, and the soil. Kapsera designed solutions that combine the best of science and nature to ensure that tomorrow's agriculture is efficient and sustainable. The soil and plants yield natural active principles capable of enhancing crops, growth, and health. Up until now, their fragility have prevented any widespread use in the field. But Kapsera's 10 years of research into microfluidic encapsulation technology has finally overcome this obstacle. Our biosourced, biodegradable capsules protect these natural fertilizers and pesticides for maximum efficacy. Our goal is to produce effective solutions that meet agriculture's needs and address the agricultural challenges of the future. Protecting soil fertility, reducing water requirements, improving drought resistance, combating emerging diseases and pests. Kapsera is working for the planet, for people, and for an agriculture that demands the best for tomorrow.